Todd G here, and today we're going to talk about affiliate marketing examples. And if you stick around till the end, I'm going to show you how to get started with affiliate marketing ASAP. So let's get going. Okay, so affiliate marketing examples. So we're going to start out with what is affiliate marketing, very high level. What are some of the benefits of affiliate marketing, some affiliate marketing details, and then I'm going to show you the affiliate marketing examples, and then some of the niche examples that you can use with affiliate marketing, and last but not least, how to get started with affiliate marketing ASAP. And by the way, if you don't know much about affiliate marketing, there will be links in the description of this video for some other videos that go more in depth on what affiliate marketing is. Okay, so what is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is promoting other people's proven products or services, and you make a commission by referrals. There's lots of benefits. You don't have to create a product or service. You just recommend products or services to your audience, to others. And it's a great way to get started with an online business. In my opinion, it's the easiest way for beginners to get started with an online business because of all the benefits. Now, it's also a great way to add an income stream to your business already. Most successful business owners I know have multiple income streams, and at least one of those is with affiliate marketing in some way, shape, or form. Now, many companies have affiliate programs, and I'm going to show you just a few of the examples, and you might be surprised out there, but there are tons of companies that have affiliate marketing as part of an offering that you can actually sign up to be an affiliate and promote their products or services and make a commission for each sale that you make. Now, some of the benefits of affiliate marketing is you don't need to create your own products or services. This is huge. Creating your own products or services is not as easy as it sounds. It's actually kind of tough, and depending on what products and services you're offering, can take a lot of time, energy, resources, and investment just to make the products. So you make a commission by recommendations. You don't have to deal with product creation, order fulfillment, customer service, and in most cases, marketing materials. A lot of the affiliate programs already provide you with affiliate marketing materials such as banners, such as advertisements, copy for emails, and that kind of stuff. So again, it's the easiest business model for beginners. It's also a good business model for established businesses to add an additional income stream. Again, you just focus on recommendations and recommending to others. Now, affiliate marketing details, I'm not going to get into the nitty gritty. I have other videos about it, but this just kind of summarizes the details. So you just type in a Google search, affiliate program, and check out their details. For instance, like a company name and then affiliate program. And most of the companies out there have an affiliate program, and it will take you to their affiliate page, and you can read through the details on how to sign up to be an affiliate. Now, you will get an affiliate link with your unique affiliate ID. The ID is usually ID equals a question mark, either a number or a name, like the numbers or names I have on the screens here on the screen. And the affiliate link tracks clicks and sales to you. So it's unique ID, much like a social security number in the US or ESSN in Europe. It's unique to every individual affiliate. Now, an affiliate cookie is a little piece of code that is put on a potential customer's browser. It's a little piece of code that's downloaded when you click on that link. And the cookie expiration time varies from affiliate program. Some of them are as short as 24 hours, like Amazon. Some of them are 30 plus days. It just depends. But what that means is, as long as the cookie hasn't expired and they click on your link, if they go to purchase that product and the cookie is still active, then you will get credit for that sale. Now, the affiliate dashboard, most companies have an affiliate dashboard where you can log in and check your stats, your leads, your sales, that sort of thing. And you can also download your unique affiliate links from that dashboard. Now, affiliate payouts, commissions are usually paid out via either PayPal, check, direct bank wire, prepaid card. It just depends from affiliate program to affiliate program. You would have to check that specific affiliate program's details on their page to figure out how they pay. Now, here's some examples. which is what you're looking for. So I'm just going to give you a few of the examples, but again, you can Google any company name and affiliate program and check out and see if they have an affiliate program and all the details. Now, many companies have affiliate programs, some of them like Walmart, Amazon, Best Buy, Bowflex, many others. And there's affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank, JVZoo, and Commission Junction. I'll show you an example of ClickBank in a minute, but ClickBank is one of the most diverse platforms out there. You could probably find an affiliate product in just about any niche category on ClickBank, so it's a pretty good place to check out to see what affiliate products they offer. Now again, there are many affiliate products, both physical and digital, to choose from in all these sites. Now I personally prefer digital products over physical products because you don't have to deal with the shipping and handling, and it's immediate downloads. It's digital. It's just less overhead, less chance for something to get damaged in shipping and all that good stuff. But that's just my personal opinion. Just keep in mind that there are some advantages to digital products over physical products, in my opinion. Now, here's Walmart's affiliate example page. Again, you can just Google Walmart affiliate program and you will see this program or this page. And you can just click in there and check out all about Walmart affiliate program, what their commission structure is, how much percentage commission you can make, and you could sign up, you can be affiliate, you can start promoting affiliate products through Walmart if you choose to do so. Now, another very popular affiliate program is the Amazon Associates affiliate program. Again, you can just go to the Amazon Associates affiliate program page. You can check it out. A lot of people are affiliates for Amazon. In my opinion, Amazon has some downsides, like their short cookie expiration time of only 24 hours, and their commission payout is usually lower, like under less than 10%. I usually prefer commission programs that pay out 40% or above. It just depends, right? It's all in what you want to promote and what affiliate program you want to be a part of, and probably your niche as well. So Best Buy, one of the largest electronics companies in the United States, they have an affiliate program. You know, say your niche is in electronics, maybe your niche is cameras or video or photography. This might be a good option for you as well as the Amazon Associates program. But you might check out Best Buy's affiliate program. Maybe that is something that is in your wheelhouse. Now I decided to pick something in the health and fitness industry here. Bowflex has an affiliate program, and Bowflex typically sells higher end products. So even if you make a lower commission percentage, you can make a pretty decent commission per sale because the actual price of the product is higher, and obviously with a higher price, your commission is going to be a little higher as well. So you might check that out if you're in the health and fitness type of niche. And I'm going to show an example of how maybe you put this together in just a sec. Now, this is one of the affiliate programs I promote. It's web hosting. I typically like to stay with tools and services and products that business owners need, that work for any business owners, especially online business owners, but any business owners offline that wants to get in the online space as well. So this is one of them. It's web hosting. I like A2 hosting right now. This is my preferred hosting vendor. Great customer service, customer support, fast web page loads, and that sort of thing. And as you can see here, for every customer that purchases web hosting through my affiliate link, which you can go to at moneyinthecloud.com/A2 hosting, you will see 1 to 10 sales is like $85 per sale. And once you start getting a higher volume, 11 to 20 sales, you can make $100 per sale. 21 to 30, you make $120 per sale. And then above 30, 31 and up, you can make up to $140 for each web hosting customer that purchases through your affiliate link. Now you can see if you started doing some volume with this, you can make some good income off of just web hosting. In fact, I had an associate of mine that I knew a few years back. He focused on helping business owners get their own web hosting package. He would set it up for them. He had like a done-for-you bonus package, and he was making anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a day just by promoting web hosting as an affiliate. So that's an option for you. And there's plenty of business owners out there that don't realize they really need a website, because your website is like your home base, and it's one of the biggest digital assets that you can have besides your email list is your website. So a lot of business owners don't really understand that. So if you can help educate them to understand that they really need their own website, their digital real estate, their home on the internet, this would be a great option for you to maybe be an affiliate for a web hosting product such as A2 Web Hosting. Now, here's ClickBank. Again, ClickBank's one of the largest affiliate marketplaces out there. They have categories in just about every niche under the sun. Categories are over there on the left in red. And as you can see, I mean, arts and entertainment, cooking, education, fiction, computers and internet, business and investing, you get it. It goes on and on and on. And each one of those categories has subcategories within there. So whatever niche you are in, I encourage you to head on over to ClickBank and look in those categories, look in those sub niches, and then look for the products with the highest gravity or the most popular selling products, and look at the commission structure. A lot of times you can make a higher commission off of ClickBank. Some of them are like 75% on each sale. So check out, maybe there's some products in there that you can add to your already list of products and services and be an affiliate and make recommendations in your niche and in your content marketing, and add that income stream for your online business or offline business. Now, here's like an example of what I've been talking about. Say you're in the fitness niche and you've already, have a product or service, or maybe you don't have a product or service, but you can add an affiliate product from, say, ClickBank or what have you that complements your niche market. So, example, you're in the fitness niche. Maybe you are a personal trainer. You could go on ClickBank and look for health and fitness and look at some of the supplements they offer, and you could start promoting a supplement and make commissions as an affiliate for those supplements, and it complements your personal training niche. Now, then you could add a weight loss program in there as an affiliate for a weight loss program that maybe is in ClickBank or another weight loss affiliate program out there. Add that as an income stream, and it complements your personal training. An affiliate workout program, exercise machines like Bowflex, you can become an affiliate for them. Add that may be even a higher ticket commission that you can make to add to your overall income and your income for your business. So again, there's lots of options here if you just think about it and map it out. As long as the product or service that you're affiliate for complements your niche and is not too far outside of your niche, there are tons and tons of things that you can add, and maybe you can add multiple income streams to up your profit levels for your online business. All right, so this is the part I told you about at the beginning. If you want to get up and running as an affiliate as soon as possible, here's some free affiliate super training. It's a multiple day training course, but it's like a boot camp, right? It just gets you in there, shows you all about affiliate marketing. Even if you don't know where to start, if you don't have an affiliate product, everything is mapped out inside of here. Again, it's free training, so I encourage you to check it out at moneyinthecloud.com/start. And once you do, you'll head over to this page, and it talks a little bit about the free training you're going to get. You just click on the blue button, yes Todd, give me the training now, and enter your email address, and you will have your first lesson like that in your email inbox. And then you'll get another lesson every day for, I believe it's 5 days. So check it out. It's free. It's lots of awesome training. And I think that you will find that it's just awesome to check out. So that's it for this video. I tried to go a little faster in this because I didn't want to drag it out, but if you have any questions or comments, shoot them below. And again, check out the description of this video because I have other videos that go deeper into various affiliate strategies, how to get started as an affiliate marketer, some of the mistakes that affiliate marketers make, that sort of thing. So check out those other videos, and if you have any questions or comments, shoot them below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and that's it for today. Todd G signing out. I will see you in the next video.